Lifeline 150 LBS Deluxe Gym for workout at home with round pipe, cover, and preacher curl. Bonus 5 kg dumbbells pair. Gym for exercise and workout at home. Can be used by working professionals, men, women, students. Total body conditioning and superior endurance with 15 exercise option. 2.5 round heavy-duty steel tube construction. Area occupied by assembled gym. Length equals 68. Width equals 43. Height equals 81. Comes with 4 boxes. 1 box contains main body. 2 boxes contains weight plates and 1 box contains pair of bonus 5 kg dumbbells. The item dispatched directly from manufacturer's factory in wooden crate to avoid damage during transit. In case of transit-related damage, replacement parts would be provided free of cost. Free installation in Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, and Bengaluru within 7 days of delivery. For other cities we can provide YouTube video installation link or connect you to third-party agencies who can provide the installation on chargeable basis. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.